Hi, A and an seem easy, but they can be problematic sometimes. Let's see how to use them correctly. First, A and an are indefinite articles. It means they don't define the noun. They are used for things in general. They are used only with singular countable nouns. You cannot use them with the plural countable nouns, and you cannot use them with uncountable nouns. Let's take some examples to understand. A tiger is a wild animal. A tiger is indefinite. It means tigers in general. Tiger is singular countable noun, so I can use a. A wild animal is also indefinite. Animals, wild animals in general. Wild animal is singular countable noun. Therefore, I can use a before tiger and a before wild animal. Don't say, I bought a furniture for my home yesterday, or Jack needs an information, or Jane enjoys watching a movies. Why? Because furniture is uncountable. Information is also uncountable, and movies is plural. So we cannot use a or an. Instead, we say, I bought furniture or some furniture. Furniture is uncountable noun. Jack needs information or some information about the new catalog. Jane enjoys watching movies on TV. Movies is plural countable noun. So we cannot use with these words a or an. Let's talk now about the differences. A is used with consonant sounds. An is used with vowel sounds. Be careful, we talk about sounds. It means it's not when we see a consonant we use a, or when we see a vowel we use an. We need to check the sound. We need to try the word. A car, a hotel, but an honest man. An uncle, but a uniform. Let's take examples. I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch. An SOS signal is important to get rescued. SOS, the S is pronounced S, so it's vowel sound. I love to take a European trip every year. European, U, the E is pronounced as a consonant sound, so we use a European trip. More examples. He pursues an MBA in project management. M is a consonant, but the sound is vowel. We use an. Has anyone ever seen a unicorn? Unicorn. The sound of the U is consonant. We use a. It's going to rain. I need to buy an umbrella. Here, umbrella is used as a vowel sound, so we use an. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell for more lessons. See you.